Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my morning with septic tank people. Anybody want to see a septic tank get dug up? They're going to tell me if it just needs cleaning or if I've got other problems. I think the line may be broke from that house where the meter box is to where they're standing. So if that's the case, that means they gotta dig a trench, I don't know, and put a new one in. Okay. Anyway, y'all have a blessed day. This is Septic Septic Tank. If y'all need anybody, we've been using them for over 40 years. It says Cook on their truck, but they're all the same company. This is the third generation out here. Alright, y'all have a blessed day now, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.